Mommy.
Yes, Hazy?
He's having fun.
Yeah. I was hoping he was going to make that noise again. Can you do it again? Who's like that?
Mommy, can it be my turn?
Okay, your turn. Hi.
Ah.
What do you have there?
A giraffe.
A giraffe. Very nice. What's it made out of?
It's Duplo's in it,
Duplo.
and I'm pretending to say
Nay!
like a horse.
Like a horse. Good. Great.
And can you build this a horse with me?
I can build a horse with you in a little while. Ooh, listen. Thanks, Landry. That's what we wanted. I wanted that funny sound.
Mommy, I don't believe that he knows how to do it.
Yeah, I guess he does. All right, buddy. Let's get you in the bath.
Mommy.